Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your OPPO Enco Buds 2 with any Android phone or Android tablet. So first of all, before the pairing, remember to charge them for like 20 minutes by using this USB-C port, and also disconnect them from any previously connected devices. In the next step, you have to just basically open this charging case and remove left and the right earbud. And right now you have to click and hold on this touchpad. I'm gonna show you where it is located. Okay, it's located basically right here. We have to click and hold on this arena for the both earbuds, and hold them until you hear in one of your earbud the sound notification. It will take around 3 or 4 seconds. So I'm gonna click and hold and put one of it close to my ear. Okay, right now I can hear that sound, so I'm gonna put them close to my Android device, and right now just go to the Bluetooth, turn it on, then click to pair new device and select OPPO Enco Buds 2nd generation, accept the pairing. And when we are successfully connected, you are also able to get this Hey Melody application from the Play Store. So you just have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data and type Hey Melody on the search pool. Yeah, we have to get this application. Okay, right now we can open this application and accept all permissions that pops on the screen, and then click to add the device. Click on the settings and accept both permissions. Right now click add one more time, and it is looking for the nearby devices. When we previously connect them by the standard Bluetooth settings, we can also find them on the application, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.